Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, a location to where we trade different. Today is November the 30th, 2020, and we're all going to give y'all an update on AAVE. It's been a while. You guys can see, actually it's been a couple of days. November the 7th was the last time we did our video for AAVE. So it's time for us to come in and give y'all an update on what the market has done since that particular time. Now, before I get into that, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys can see how easy our price chart looks, and you guys can hear the words that we are utilizing and they're not confusing you. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel, period. We're one of the only organizations that's placing forecast predictions on a price chart just to get everyone a heads up as to where the market is expected to go. So like I told you, November the 7th was the last time we did our video for AAVE, and we played that particular forecast on November the 7th on the hourly time frame. So let's go back and look at what occurred since that particular moment. And here we are. You guys can see that we played at that particular time weakness into the market for AAVE, right? And even at that particular moment, we expected to see that market try to hold that ascending line. Did he do that? Yes, he did. He still increased the value of AAVE even after we got our 6.91% out the market. We saw the weakness at that particular time. So now that is over. A lot of time has passed since then. And you can see here that this line on my chart is not applicable at all. AAVE is not even trading around this particular level. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to clean up our chart. So let's get rid of it. Okay, and let's zoom in closer to where the market is happening, what's going on in price. So you can see that the market in AAVE is going higher. It dipped down, and now we're going to come right back up here towards $80, $82.50. That's where we at. Now, over the last 3 days, you don't need no one to tell you that the market is in an uptrend. We got to get ahead of the game. We need to get in position. So what is your expectations? Are you expecting to see what occurred back in November 17th, 18th, to where the market in AAVE got rejected? Or are we going to break that to the upside? That is the dilemma. That is the answer that we need to find. Let's look at the market real quick on the 3-day time frame. So looking at AAVE all the way up here on the 3-day time frame, currently this market looks healthy in AAVE. As a snapshot, this market looks real good. Now, we still have a while. We got a day and 12 hours left before this bar ends. But if it would have ended in the next 15 minutes, this current bar, then I definitely would be expecting the market in AAVE to shoot past $80. I would. But that's not yet determined because we still have a day and 12 hours, a day and a half left. But it looks good so far. On the 5-day time frame, even better. This market in AAVE is looking real healthy. 3-day looks healthy. The 5-day time frame looks healthy. It looks healthy enough to at least try to come back up towards $80 and try to break it to the upside. Looking at the market on the weekly time frame, we're starting off the week pretty well. The only concern is that $80 level. So you can see here on the 11-hour time frame, the market in AAVE is still inching towards $80, positive and healthy. This is the actual hourly trend that AAVE is going through. Okay, that's the trend. We saw an enormous amount of volume come in on this last 11-hour price bar. If we close above the close on this 11-hour price bar, yeah, AAVE is still anticipated to go higher in price. So, what do you expect? Look at these different hourly time frames, and like I'm saying, I'm trying to search to see if weakness is present around this particular price area of $80, and I just don't see it. There are selling going on into the market, but it is definitely being consumed by the trap. He is definitely inching his way back up there towards $80. So the expectation is relatively easy to see. This is going to be our forecast into the market for AAVE. We're going to play some strength into the market. Obviously, TP would have to be around $80, which is about 5% profitability in the market movement. Okay. Extend this out just a tad further. Now, where do you want the market to hold support in order for that to occur? Definitely, I would say around $70 for support. Okay. Now, based off the 5-day to 3-day time frame, this market AAVE is definitely looking to try to come back up towards the highs that came in on the 20th of November. So we're going to ultimately try to take that TP out around $82.50. TP is going to be around $80.25, and that's it. Now it's your turn. It's your opportunity. This is the things that we are noticing on the price chart that the trap has laid down, giving us a clue as to where he is trying to take AAVE. Now it's your opportunity, your chance to tell me, what do you think? What do you see? Give us all a chance to comment on the market as it stands, so that we may get in position as to what is likely to occur. It's your turn. Tell me what direction you think AAVE is going to go, and then tell me where would you TP out at into the market. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.